Ile mti ambayo haina mazao tunafanya nini? Tunakata.
Jodak kaonti ma Bungoma kod mano ma Trans Nzoia sani koro yudo konyruok bang' chakruok ayanga macheno mar kunyo kisima mitayo gi jo Amerika kod mamoko. Jata chenro ma kamano Clayton Cowart owacho ni chenrono geto mar kunyo kisima 100 mondo mi okony jodak yudo pi maler e yo mayot kendo bedo ni achkachiena ne giwuotho mang'eny kanyo ka gimanyo pi.
Ni tulikuwa na shida ya maji. Hii ndio mradi ya kwanza tumeona hapa Mayanja. Huwa tunaona tu Sendikisito ndio wamechimba hii maji. Na lakini hapa soko wamechimba, lakini wameweka sola maji itoki. Kama hakuna jua hakuna maji. Sasa kama hii itakuwa itasaidia wenyeji wa hapa sana.
People who stay in Bungoma County in this region, we all know that people have been having a very big problem getting water. And the people who have been suffering most is women and children. They go to the rivers, stay there for hours and hours. When they come to their homes, they are tired. So we want to thank the apostle.
This was our vision, and we said it would be done. And for those that didn't believe, we're now here. And it's happening. So we're true to our word. And we want to send them all throughout Kenya because we don't want people to have to walk so far to get water.
That we, from the Church of God, the Bible Way in Florida, we are committed to this cause here. And the beauty about this is you're here as the media team today. And since you're here today, you're going to see us next year where we're going to do another coverage.